Hello friends, this is Dave from Advanced Camping in Milwaukee, coming to you today with this Pleasure Way 2023 Tofino. And this, I like to call this the backpacker of adventure vans. It's under 18 feet long. It has a cool pop top. It kind of flashed back to that Volkswagen van camper of the past, except it's got all the modern day amenities and conveniences. So you're gonna have a rooftop rack, so if you want to bring a kayak or a canoe, something like that, maybe a ski pod if you do winter traveling. It also has solar up on the rooftop, and it's going to have a lot of off-the-grid features like lithium batteries and an inverter as well. This one has the optional Toyo off-road tires, so you get a little better traction. This is a front-wheel drive van, but it does give you a little bit better traction if you go out on the beach or into the mountains. And then it's got the super nice looking Black Rhino upgraded rims, so it gives it kind of that smoky black rim look to it. As we walk around, you've got a tow package on the back. Inside of these back doors is a ton of storage space. So a lot of people use this van as a daily driver or a second vehicle. So you can certainly store, your kids' soccer gear in the back here, or, your camp stove, anything you would need for a day trip or a longer camping trip. You've also got a sprayer hose back here and a sprayer port. So if you bring along a pet or you just went to the beach, you want to rinse your feet off, you can do that right out of the back doors. And then it's got a screened in wall back here, so these doors can flip all the way around, and then you can enjoy the nice ocean view out the back doors as well as that ocean breeze. So that is a really, really nice design. And we'll flip this back around, and you will see on this side, you've got this blackout look, really classy look to the van. Nice deep tint windows, and these are an awning style window, so you can keep them open while it's raining. You've got your hookup center right here where you hook up your water and you turn your propane on, you plug the van in if you are going to be on the grid. And then as we swing around to the front, this is a updated chassis, so it's got the new transmission. It also has some more of the safety features that you are accustomed to finding in modern day automobiles that are incorporated in this new chassis. So this has got swivel seats up front, and there is a table that stows right behind the driver's seat. You can set that up. It's on a freestanding pedestal and tripod, which you can see right here. That way you can use the table at the front of the van, or you can slide it back to the sofa on this side and use it on this side of the van. So we'll take a look at the sofa. Has seat belts for two, so total of 4 seat belts in this van. Got a great counter space, a nice little sink, an induction cooktop, which is very safe. And then that will actually work off the inverter and your lithium batteries. You have got a little 12-volt refrigerator and freezer as well in there. Some nice storage. Pleasure Way is known for their fit and finish and outstanding cabinetry, and the Tofino is no exception to that. Another storage back there. Up top, you've got this nice sleeping space, and what I love about this is these will open up. You can get some cross ventilation, get some nice natural light, so you get that really natural tent feel. You do have a comfortable bed mattress built right in here, and you can sleep a couple of kids or a grandkid or even an adult up there if you'd like. This will also turn into a bed. So this is a sizable bed for 2 that lays flat, and then there's an additional cushion that stows up above, making it a long north and south bed and sleeping space inside here. Everything is operated on a touch panel, so you can use your heating system, your lighting, your solar control, your water pump. You can monitor your batteries all from one convenient space. And you've got some pull down shades, another screen for the sliding door with an easy in and out magnetic entry. And then up front, this is all of the new Ram chassis features. A little bigger 7-inch touch screen. You've got steering wheel controls, blind spot assist, crosswind assist. It also has this SOS safety connection, so you can connect to a operator if you're in trouble or you've been in an accident. And then it has a rear view camera, so not only a mirror, but you can flip that switch there and you can then have it be a rear view camera. So sometimes it's hard to see out the back windows, but with a camera back there, really nice perspective. Thank you for watching our video on this 2023 Pleasure Way. If you have any questions on this van or others, please visit advancecamping.com or give us a call today.